joining us at Butterfly Cottage. Today we're going to make the Great British Banger. So we've got 2.7 kg of pork shoulder here, cut into strips, ready to mince. And here we have sage, 7 grams, we have 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves, 1 gram of pepper, 45 grams of salt and 150 grams of rusk. There's also rosemary in here, 5 grams. You can put what you want in there. It's up to you.
Fresh as well.
Fresh picked from the garden, the herbs. So let's get on and mince up this pork meat. This is a Bosch mincer, which does a very good job. You can put it on a coarse setting, but we like our sausages fine, so this is on a fine setting. After the first pass, we're going to put it back into the bowl and we're going to add the salt, the herbs, spices and rusk. Give it a good squidge. Now we're going to pass it through for the second time to ensure that it's all mixed together and it's yummy.
Makes it finer.
This is how you get your finer meat. Into the bowl for a mix up, and then we're going to fry some off in a pan and check it for seasoning and salt, and if that's all good we can continue to put it into the skins. So now we're going to put the sausage skins on. We're using animal skins because we prefer that, but you can buy synthetic ones. And it's easier if you just put a little bit of oil on the nozzle. And then this part of the process is easier as well if you have somebody to help you. So Graham is going to be helping me. He's going to guide the sausages out and I'm going to be plunging the meat in.
Right, just pull a little bit out, that's it.
Right. I'm just going to push some meat down first. To make sure that you don't get any air pockets in it, which is easier said than done. Okay, ready?
Go. for a sausage. Try and get some of this air out. There you go. Beautiful. Let's do it right. Nice Cumberland swirl. There you go. Almost look real, don't they? So what we do is we cut them into individual sausages and then bang them straight in the freezer. But they don't really stay in the freezer for long. We end up eating them all.
So here we have 5 bags of 8 sausages, and in the pan there's 6 sausages cooking for later. These go perfect with the Butterfly Cottage super soft rolls, and you could also make a toad in the hole using the Yorkshire pudding recipe that we do. Enjoy, leave us a comment, please subscribe and please share.